That one's still over here. It keeps falling out. Yeah, so far that I know of, there's one missing. There's 3 on the battle bridge. Hive. This habitat is a lot bigger now. Gravity light. You can see. Is the other light in here? No. So the battle bridge light is missing too. So there's 2 nanos missing. They're all probably still in the closet. Oh yeah, those colors were in the habitat that I've shown to Doman. So they dumped down my bed. That's why, and there's 3 of them, so there's 3 actually lost. Still on the... Man, this red and green's got to go somewhere else. It's been on there for a long time. Refraction pink is gone too. That's the other one that's missing. Oh, that one's dead. That's not a new one. That's the refraction green. There's a new one. One of the new ones. Becomes a lot of them. The red and green again. That one was just up here. So yeah, there is 3 missing. So they're dumped down my bed. Pretty much. Oh, this one fell down. It's the refraction black. Ugh. I'm having a hard time pronouncing that. Uh-oh, that one's getting really dead. Get up, get up. Yay! Some of these just ain't gonna leave. That, the purple one. It's on the merry-go-round. Most of the time they stay on until somebody else kind of like tries to knock them off. Whoa! Refraction blue. The red and green again. Ugh. Gravity turquoise. Look at all of them now on there. They're going to be falling off here, and most of the time they aren't going to land in the habitats.